Even the people in Wyoming care about the hurricane victims. We met a friend that moved from Wyoming to here. She had someone come visit her from Wyoming to here, and they donated 60 bags of hygiene kits. They said they made it this far, and for someone else to make it the rest of the way to get the items there. My friend knew that we were going to go to North Carolina, and so she brought over the kits and also blankets. The hygiene kits are in gallon-sized bags, and they did a great job with them. I felt that it was important to show this because I just don't want us to forget about the people in North Carolina. I literally cannot even imagine what they're going through.